Welcome back to K-Dog's Model Car Doghouse. We're back for another episode of Sunday morning model cars and coffee. Thank Paul for hosting this. Good idea. Having fun with it. I try to do it every Sunday. Today, I got a 68 Dodge Dart. Larry Griffith 68 Dodge Dart. I actually did this for the USAC group build last year. I didn't have a YouTube channel, so there wasn't a YouTube video. So we're gonna get the camera down here. USAC's on everybody's mind. We're gonna get the camera down here and let you see this Dart. Give me just a minute. I'll get you flipped around. Yep. The battery just died on my whirligig, so we're gonna do it without it. Anyway, that's what I did with the Revell Hemi Dart. Got 6 decals. I think everything else is out of the kit. I don't remember doing much more to it. Paint was scale finishes. It went down pretty good. It laid down there pretty good. See, I just wish they'd give us a pattern cutting out these rear fender wheels. I'm trying to spin this thing around and give you a little look-see. Pretty decent build. It got together well. I got more. We got more darts. One thing you can count on around here is darts. Dusters, demons, barracudas. And I detailed it out. I paint detailed it out underneath. Done kind of the factory overspray. Detailed it out. Pretty clean build underneath. I've learned a lesson though with the clear. I was using U-Pole 1K clear. I've noticed that about everything I've painted with it is dried back. It's got kind of a grain to it after it sits a while. There's under the hood. Detailed it out, plug wires. I didn't do a whole lot. I can't hardly stand the car without plug wires. It looks empty if it don't at least have plug wires. These are fun kits to build. The roll bar in, detailed out the dash. You probably can't see it, but detailed out the dash. Fun little build. I need to do a couple more of these. I like these things. They do one stock. I ain't never. I've noticed a lot of my stuff is not stock. I need to start building some stock Mopar stuff to go along with the race stuff. Most time I'll build especially the Mopar stuff, I'll build a drag car or pro touring, something like that. This is a Revell 68 Dart. Like I said, it was built last year. Built last year for the USAC. Showed pictures on Facebook, but didn't get to on YouTube. So here we go on YouTube. That's what we got. We had fun. That's what it's all about, it's having fun. Got to excuse my workbench. My workbench is, it's full. It's full. Got the wagon I'm painting on, the 65 Barracudas under process. 2 or 3 more bodies I'm painting. Let me flip you around. like I said, the workbench is full of stuff to do. But I'm glad everybody come and checked it out today. If you ain't done it, subscribe. Hit those thumbs up. Hit those thumbs up like you need a ride somewhere. Give me a comment. Share it. Again, I'd like to appreciate everybody that does stop, comment, like, share. Love y'all. Having fun doing this. Good Sunday morning. Hope you have a blessed day. And remember what the K-Dog says. Be happy. Model on.